Two clients, same service, same fee. One of them refers you to 3 people. The other one doesn't renew. What's the difference? Rarely is it the quality of the work. Usually it's everything around the work. How quickly they heard from you when they had a question, whether they always knew where things stood, whether the onboarding felt professional or felt like they were figuring it out alongside you, whether anything was ever late or missing. Those things are the delivery experience, and they're almost entirely driven by whether you have a system or not. Hi, I'm Chris Ray. This is layer 2 of the business operating system, delivery. What the delivery layer covers. The delivery layer is how you turn a signed client into a completed, successful engagement. Client onboarding, the process that happens between deal 1 and work beginning. Getting the right information, setting expectations, making the client feel looked after from day 1. Project milestone tracking, a shared view of what's happening, what's coming next and what's been completed, so the client always knows where they are. Communication norms, how and when you communicate with clients, what goes in an email, what goes in the project system, what gets a call. Defined clearly so it's consistent across every engagement. Document templates, the reusable starting points for proposals, briefs, reports and meeting notes. So you're not rebuilding from scratch every time. And every document that goes to a client meets the same standard. The offboarding process, how an engagement closes, the handover, the final documentation, the feedback conversation, the invitation to stay in touch. Done well, this is what generates referrals. The consistency problem. The reason client experiences vary isn't usually that you care more about some clients than others. It's when you're busy, you cut corners, not intentionally, because there's no system holding the standard in place. When every onboarding looks different because it's being built from scratch every time, the quality is tied to how much time you have that week. When communication happens ad hoc, clients sometimes hear from you frequently and sometimes go 2 weeks without an update. A delivery layer removes the reliance on your bandwidth as the quality control mechanism. The process holds the standard even when you're busy. What this looks like in Notion. The delivery layer lives in Notion. Each client gets a project workspace that includes their key information, their active milestones with owners and due dates, a log of key decisions and communications, relevant documents and templates, and a clear view of what's in progress versus what's done. The templates mean every new client workspace takes minutes to set up, not hours. And because it's structured consistently, anyone on your team can pick up a client file and understand exactly where things stand without a briefing from you. The automation connection. When a deal is won in Pipedrive, Make.com creates the Notion client workspace automatically. The onboarding tasks appear. The welcome email goes out and the project is live before you've had to do anything manually. That's the difference between a handoff that takes an hour of admin and one that happens in the background while you're doing something else. Where the real value is. For most consulting businesses, the delivery layer is where the biggest opportunity sits, because delivery is what clients actually experience. It's what they talk about when they refer you. It's what makes the difference between a one-off engagement and a long-term client relationship. Getting it right doesn't require a complicated system, it requires a consistent one. And in the next video, layer 3, reporting, we're going to look at real-time visibility into what's happening across the business without having to pull it all together manually. I'll see you in the next video.